Now last but not least, if you need help with something or if you want to know more information about Unity, I'd highly recommend checking out the community as well as the support pages on unity3d.com. If you click on support and then on, for example, resources, it will show you a whole host of resources that you can use, tutorials that you can follow, and example projects that you can open up, because really one of the best ways to learn from others is just by looking at their code and the way they organized projects. Now there's also a very big and friendly community connected to Unity3D, and there's the forums as well as a chat channel if you need help really quickly, and there's also a magazine that bi-monthly shows you all kinds of in and outs about Unity3D and how to use it. So if you need any of this, I'd highly recommend to check it out and to get some help there or to learn more about Unity itself or game design in general.